Have you ever heard actors say, just be in the moment? Well, that's exactly what the Meisner Technique is all about. It's one of the most effective acting methods out there, helping actors react truthfully rather than acting in a forced way. Created by Sanford Meisner, this technique trains actors to respond instinctively to their scene partners, rather than relying on scripted emotions or overthinking their performance. It's all about listening, reacting, and being fully present. One of the key exercises is called repetition. Two actors face each other and repeat a simple phrase, like, "You're wearing a red shirt." The goal? To respond honestly, not just with words, but with real emotions based on the other person's energy and delivery. By doing this, actors stop thinking about their lines and start focusing on the truth of the moment. This creates natural, spontaneous performances that feel real rather than rehearsed. Another key aspect is emotional preparation. Instead of faking emotions, actors use personal experiences or imagination to tap into genuine feelings before a scene. The Meisner Technique teaches actors to stop acting and start living truthfully under imaginary circumstances. If you want more acting tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more.